Past and present and past tense. Many verbs in the present tense have an S ending with a singular subject. Many verbs in the present tense do not have an S ending with a plural subject. Most verbs in the past tense have an ED ending. An artist paints paintings, present. Artists paint paintings, present. An artist painted paintings yesterday, past. Drag a circle to the correct answer. So you're going to decide if each underlined verb is in the present or the past tense. Number 1, our class gathers pages for a book. Gathers, is that present or past? Number 2, we combined them into a small book. Combined, A present, B past. Number 3, we fold some pages in two. Fold, A present, B past. 4, other students traced lines for borders. A present, B past. 5, Carmen cuts the rough edges. Cuts, A present, B past. 6, Walt and John iron the pages flat. A present, B past. 7, some older kids poked holes in the page. Poked, A present, B past. 8, one group ties string through the hose. Ties, A present, B past. 9, the string pulled the pages together. Pulled, A present, B past. 10, in the last step we cover it with thick paper. Covered, A present, B past. Make sure to click the green turn button when you're finished.